I will start this video with some shameless self-praise. A month ago, when OpenClaw was released, the very first day, I did a video where I showed you how to get it integrated with Ollama, with all local and free models, where it was not even officially supported. And you can see that the response was really very favorable, and I'm very grateful. Now what Ollama has done, they have launched an official support for OpenClaw, and that is exactly what I'm going to cover in this video. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member, as membership is what keeps this channel going. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. So if you don't know what OpenClaw is and what this fuss is all about, I will highly encourage you to just go to my channel and search for it. Ollama is one of the easiest tools to get started with AI models locally and free in a quantized format. So when we covered this Ollama integration with OpenClaw last time, you saw that we set up this Ollama manually and we edited a JSON config file of OpenClaw. We also got the API field right. We also had to set the model definition, and then we knitted it all together and it perfectly worked fine. And I have shown you how to use it from different configs in the last 1 month. It worked, and but I understand that people really wanted it out of the box, and that is why this video. As I said, Ollama just announced official support for OpenClaw, which means there is now a proper setup wizard that handles everything automatically. You just run one command, point it at your Ollama instance, pick your model, and you are done. No JSON editing, no guessing at config keys, no gateway token drama. So let's get started. I'm going to do everything from scratch. This is my Ubuntu system. I have this GPU card NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. The reason why I am showing you this is not to just impress you, but also to show you that this is the Ollama model which I'm running, Qwen 3.535 billion, and it is around 23 gig of size, but of course you can use any model of your choice. And by the way, if you also want to run it locally like me, you can also rent a GPU from Massed Compute for fraction of cost. You can find their link in video's description. You will also find a 50% discount coupon for range of GPUs. Now, one thing you need to do is to either install Ollama fresh or upgrade it. So this is my existing Ollama version, which is old. I'm just going to clear this and I'm going to upgrade it right now in front of you. There are a few more details if you think that this is not working, so you just go to my channel and then from here you search with Ollama upgrade. So if you want to upgrade Ollama, downgrade Ollama, you can simply just watch this video for Linux, Windows and Macs. Okay, so let's go back and check this out. It is going to download the new exe, so let's wait. And our Ollama is now upgraded, and you can also simply just say Ollama version, and both the Ollama server and client should be done. I think what I have done here, maybe I just didn't get 2 slashes. There you go. So this is my Ollama version now. Okay, so we are all set. Let's also double check our Ollama model is there. It is there. You don't have to re-download it. And now I am going to install the OpenClaw from fresh. So let's run this. And this package is getting heavier and heavier as I keep saying, but I think it is worth it. And OpenClaw is almost started, and this is just a token issue. We will fix it later, but I can tell you it is taking around 3 to 4 minutes now. It is still going. Okay, so we are here now. You can just simply with arrow key select yes, press enter. Quick start is good, and now it is saying, you know, what do you want to do. I don't want to use any existing values. I just want to reset it, and it is asking me what exactly I want to do. I'll just say full reset, and from here you can see that there are different options, so you can keep scrolling, and I will just show you the Ollama one, and just press enter here on Ollama. base URL is a default. If you are running Ollama on any different port or URL or IP, just give it here. And it says cloud plus local. We are just local boys, and we will just do local. So it is going to download GLM 4.7 flash. This part I don't like at all. Why would you do that? So maybe Ollama has some sponsorship with Jaifu that they are downloading their model. Nothing wrong with it. It's a nice model, but why force any model on us? It's a total big no. And these are sort of things where I think Ollama is at lately is getting bad rap in the community. First there was llama.cpp issue which we covered on the channel, and now this thing, I was not really expecting it. I'm sorry. I mean, we have to be very uh, upright here. We use Ollama a lot, but at the same time we don't really like these forced things upon us. If I wanted to use GLM, I will, but by myself. Anyway, I will let it finish downloading it, and then we will go from there. I'll stop whinging. And now it is asking me to keep current, the one which it downloaded, or enter manually, or just go with the one which I already have. And by the way, you see, I'm just going to go with 3.535 billion, and then it is progressing further. And then you can, configure your channels. We already have done it in the previous video which I showed you, so I'm not just going to do that, because here I just wanted to show you how to use this new sort of automatic way. Still fair bit of steps there. I would still recommend the manual method, by the way, if you ask me, because that is quick, that is fast, works like a charm, and you don't really get pushed for to download any model. And then from here you can just either select your searches or skills, and then if you want to configure any skills, I'm not doing anything. And then different API keys, so it's a full wizard which you can just go through. I'm just pressing enter and then spacebar, and now you can restart your gateway service, which primarily integrates your channel with OpenClaw core. And then you can either hatch it in the TUI or do this later. So if I just press it here, it is going to restart it and give you this CLI interface. And it is running. One thing I have noticed, the difference between the manual one which we saw earlier and this one, is that this one has a bit more latency. Now you can see that it is running. Ollama is done with 3.535 billion, and you can just start chatting with it. Whatever. And if you want to see how to chat, what to do, you can watch the other video where we have done a lot of stuff there. So it is just configuring it. So as I was saying, the only difference which I feel is that this one has got a bit more latency. Maybe they will improve it, but the other one, the manual one which we done previously here, was a bit quicker. Anyway, so you know what, that's it. Let me know what do you think about this new one, and are you going to use it? If you will, let us know which one you prefer. And again, thank you for all the support, much appreciated.